The magic of calm, finding focus in a busy world. In today's fast-paced world, we often find ourselves glued to screens and constantly connected. A research team noticed this and decided to dig deeper into how our attention works in this digital age. What they found was quite surprising and challenges what we usually think about being distracted. Instead of blaming distraction, they discovered something more fundamental: we're often bombarded with too much information. Our brains love new and exciting things, which keeps us hooked to our screens and devices. To test this idea, they tried some experiments. They purposely reduced the amount of information around them and let themselves feel a bit bored. Surprisingly, this led to a big change. They could pay attention for longer and found it easier to focus on what they were doing. This also led to more creative ideas and better planning for the future. One key idea here is scatter focus. This means letting your mind wander instead of trying to focus on just one thing. It's in these moments of daydreaming that we often come up with our best ideas and smartest plans. In a world that often tells us to do more and be busier, making space for quiet and rest might seem a bit strange. But it's in these moments of calm that the real magic happens. Giving our minds a break from all the noise and screens helps us think more clearly. Distraction isn't really the problem. It's a sign that our brains are getting too much information. The solution is to reduce the amount of information coming in. Practical challenges and rituals can help with this. Taking breaks from the internet, finding value in being a little bored, and spreading our attention around are small but powerful steps toward better focus and a more satisfying life. In the end, how we pay attention affects how we experience life. By embracing calmness and giving our minds a break from constant stimulation, we tap into our full potential. In a world that always wants our attention, taking back our focus becomes an important way to take care of ourselves and live a more fulfilling life.